Hey everyone, today we talk about the Theta, strong support and the bull run target price 100% accurate. And this is using the special Bollinger band. As I told you in my last video, you can check this one that I built my own script about the Bollinger band. Look at this one. So this is the Bitcoin from the cycle 1 2012 until the next 10 years. You can find that look, this is the strong resistance. I mean, and this is the strong resistance, and this is the strong resistance. After that, we dump, and every time we hit this yellow line, it's going to up, it's going to up, it's going to up. So I same implement the same thing like for the theta, but I'm using the different value with the same concept. Look, every time hit this one, it's pump. Hit this one, pump. After hit this peak, we are going downtrend. After hit this peak, and we are going to downtrend. After hit this support, we are going up. After hit this support, we are going up. But we don't know that whether this is come back again or maybe going up again. But as I told you that the person who sell the person who buy in here is the very lucky, and the person who sell in here is the very lucky. Do you think? No, because they are using the technical analysis. And how I create this one? The concept is using like this one. So I told you that I create this Ivan Bollinger band. You can see this is the script, but I have some formula that I had. But the concept, if I'm using pi 3.14. If you want to know, you can going to do the this one like you can know that what is the pi. Pi is the golden section ratio. You can go into this one, the logic, and why the pi is the very good. And maybe in the elementary school, you're using pi for calculate the circle, right? The circle area. But in the mathematics that you deep dive, the deeper you know how to use pi, how you implement in the mathematics, and you can find this complexity, right? That's why for the in the trading view, I create some simple logic using the formula, and you implement using the square root in here. I have another the other script, but you just simplify that. Look, I have this one, but the value from this theta Bollinger Band is very different with this Bitcoin. But so far, 10 years, Bitcoin following this method. And what's about the theta? Yeah, I think now because theta still in the cycle, yeah, let's say we are now in the cycle 1 or maybe cycle 2, since the IDO in 2019, that you can find that it is a very good chance that maybe if the theta run and come maybe to this one, look, I draw the simulation, and you can find that by the December this year, if the theta is going to up, I'm copying from this. So I draw this one and I move to this one. So the same bull run like happening in the June, maybe start the bull run in the July like this one. And you can find the target for the theta is the first target is about the 67 and the next target is about the 94. We don't know which one that gonna hit, but as long as they take this one, when the theta is a bull run in the theta bull run in here, but you know that this haven't hit the top, and the theta is the sideways and then continue to bull run after hit, and then this hit the top. Same like look at this one. This is the people think that the bull run is over, and when is the next bull run? You don't know. But after this long 1 year sideways, so you can find this is almost a 1 year sideways. Look, from this to this is almost 1 year. So 1 year days, and you find that in the March 2020, profit said everything is crash. No, everything is crash. You find this support in the yellow, and then you that's why maybe Theta can pump now. Yeah, it's possible like this one. But you need to know that the Bitcoin, even the Bitcoin in this program, they hit 2 times. Let me zoom. Oh, you can see this one. Look, uh, maybe you can here. Look. hit this one, second one, third one, and the fourth. Fine, of 4 times it hit here. Now we are so far hit this one, and as I told you that I'm a bit bearish for now, so maybe we can hit this one again. Yeah, it's still very possible. But if you still so bullish, yeah, it's up to you. Because now just for 4 hours ago, you can find that there is a minor bull run in here. No, I mean the up, yeah, the up position that the Bitcoin is increasing almost 1.5%. Yeah, it's very good, and some altcoin also pump like the Theta now pump 4.5% in the daily time frame. But I'm looking for the bigger chart, so you can find this is the weekly time frame. Look, after hit this one, going down, after hit this one, going down, going up, but confirm like the broadening. You can find this broadening for Bitcoin and that's going down. And you try this median line in the blue color, you find that last week we are rejected from here, we are going down. That's why now, even if there is a pump, it's just a small pump, but we are playing in the weekly time frame. Maybe it's continue to going to downtrend. As long as that we find this white color, maybe there's gonna be big sideways. So around 42.6 until to 38.5. 38.5. So this is just like the sideways. Not going up, not going down. And we can find that the data, as I told you that I'm entering Theta, and now that I'm selling Theta in here, and suddenly just the next 3 days Theta is pump and now back to this price again. That's why I'm still optimistic that taking profit in here because I paid the bottom. I have told you, right, I paid the bottom in here and now I'm selling here. So I just playing safe. We don't know whether we going down or we are going. My prediction, we are going to down. That's why this is my plan A, this is my plan B. And you know that now in the few hours that the Federal Reserve conduct the urgent meeting about the discount rate. That's why we are waiting maybe tonight or maybe the tomorrow they're going to be the result and the market is very volatile. So be careful. Okay, and just to remind you, Nasdaq is going to parabolic since the March 2020, going to up, and up. But now we are rejected. Look, every time we hit this white, we pump. Now, every time we hit this white, maybe we are continuing to go to downtrend and making the lower low. It's very possible. That's why just don't enter your all of money, but keep cash because we need to buy the dip. If if yeah, there is dump. But if there is the bull run and maybe I cannot buy cheap, yeah, maybe it's my bad. But again, everything is about the possibility. I'm not tell you that I'm 100% confirm, right, for the price prediction, but for the data using this algorithm, I'm a bit optimist that every time hit this one, I don't think that price is going to down again, maybe back to $1. I don't think. That's why this is the very strong line for the Bollinger Band. I will update you and see you next time.